Hi everyone, how are you doing? I hope everybody's doing great and safe from this coronavirus. You know what guys, this pandemic is no longer a joke because there are a lot of cases, especially here in the Philippines. There are almost more or less 2,000 cases every day. And in spite of all the government's effort to combat or fight this coronavirus, why still there are a lot of cases? What must be the problem? Well, there are a lot of factors why the cases is still rapidly increasing. And one of it is how people follow the government set guidelines and protocols on how to protect themselves against coronavirus. One of the most important things for us to protect ourselves against coronavirus is just to stay at home. But if you can't stay at home because of our work and because of buying essentials, then we have to just do these three important things. First is to keep social distance. Second is to always wear our mask. And third is to always wash our hands. Or if it's not possible for us to wash our hands in the public places because water and soap is not accessible, then we should have at least always bring with us an alcohol or a hand sanitizer. One thing that I observe from a lot of people whenever I go out in the market, in the grocery, or in the bank is how they wear their mask. Some people are wearing masks like this, just to follow the guidelines. Whenever they go out, they're wearing their mask with their mouth out and not covered, or sometimes they cover their mouth but their nose is exposed. They're not well protected because they can still inhale or breathe in the pathogens, the coronavirus, if they're wearing their mask like this or with their nose exposed. And what's alarming is that what if they are a carrier of the coronavirus? So they can be spreading the virus all over, especially when the place is not well ventilated or an air-conditioned place. And one thing more, wearing a cloth face mask is not a guarantee that you will be well protected against coronavirus. Why? Because cloth face mask is absorbent and droplets can still enter in its tiny holes. So what should be the best face mask for us to wear? Well, KN95 and surgical masks will give us 95% protection against coronavirus. Though surgical masks can give us 95% protection against coronavirus, it's still not a guarantee that we're well protected against coronavirus. Why? Because if we wear this surgical mask, you can see that there's still a big space in between our skin and the surface of this surgical mask, and also here. So air can still escape from these spaces of this surgical mask. So what are we gonna do to make this surgical mask tight-fitting as how the KN95 face mask does? So if you wanna know how we're gonna make this surgical mask looks like KN95 and as tight-fitting as KN95, please watch this video until the end. Stay tuned! In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how we're gonna make this surgical mask looks like a KN95 and as tight-fitting as KN95. So all we're gonna do is to have with us a surgical mask. We have to determine which part is the upper part and the lower part of the surgical mask, and which one is the outer and the inner part of the surgical mask. So let's go ahead and fold the surgical mask lengthwise. See to it that if we fold this face mask, the outer part should be folded in. So like this. Then we have to tie this loop up to the end. See to it that it's tight as this, and let's go ahead and tie the other side of the ear loop. So it looks like this. Then we have to invert this and see to it that the blue colored part is here. Then put this thing here. So it will look like this. And let's do it on the other side of the surgical face mask. So let's determine which part is the upper one. So this word part should be the upper one. And let's go ahead and wear this. See to it that the wire will be tight fitted in your nose. And spread the surgical mask until here. Let's go ahead and put on the ear loop. Do it on the other side. And spread it out. So now you can see that this surgical mask looks like a KN95 and it's well fitted. And here also it gives you more space to talk and to breathe. So here you have it, guys, the surgical mask that I've turned into a KN95. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share this video, and if you're still not subscribed to my channel, please click subscribe and click the notification button so that you'll be updated with my new videos should be. Until next time, bye!